Hello, my name's Mel, welcome to my world, and for those of you that are new to my channel, it's all about self-built DIY campervans and campervan related stuff. So if that's something that interests you, then please do consider subscribing to my channel. Now today, I'm going to do something a little bit different. I'm going to become a chimney sweep. This is my cubic mini wood stove, and because it's now midsummer, it's time to sweep it out. But because it's only got a 3-inch flue, I did have trouble trying to find a flue brush to clean it. But I've come up with this idea. This brush is actually meant for a laundry dryer flue, so we'll see how well it works. It's quite stiff. It's around about 4 inches in diameter, so it should be a nice tight fit. And yeah, I reckon it'll work. So the first thing I need to do is take all my pretty lights out of it. There's a top plate inside, I need to remove that. Then I'm simply going to get on the roof and stuff this down from the top. Hopefully all the ash will catch in there, and then I can simply hoover it out. Nice thing about this stove, you can actually take the door off, as you can see, quite simply. So I'll put the door over there, we don't need that. Take my pretty lights out. Not quite sure how this works, but I can see a couple of screws up in there. I'll just go and get a screwdriver. Okay, so it's quite simple. Using my O-light, I can see that I need to screw these down. I didn't even need a screwdriver. Let's do it by hand. There's these plates up here, so you undo this screw, and then you can turn them on this side. Actually, I'll show you on this one, it's easier. So you undo this screw, flip it on its side, and then that simply falls out. Quite easy, really. He says. Undo it a bit more. There you go. So that's the other one as well. They're quite long screws, as you can see. So we'll put that there. Don't quite know how that comes out though. I don't think that bit does. I think we'll leave that bit in. Now to stop soot going everywhere when I poke down from up the top, I think I'll put the door back on. And I've put my towel here to protect my coverings. Yeah, but I need this to protect my van because I'll put this over the ladder. So yeah, I'm going to put the door back on, which is quite simple. Just simply slides on like that. In a minute, I'll line it up. There you go. Right, so I'm going to put the door on and then sweep the chimney from outside down and see what mess we make. I'm going to close all these vents up as well because I need this to protect my van from getting scratched. Right, so let's go up the ladder. Oh, look at this, looks pretty nasty in there. It does look pretty tarred up, even though I've not used it that much. So I'm quite pleased I've decided to do this. Right, so the first thing I'll do is take this cowling off. My stealth exhaust pipe looking like. I did this so it looks like an exhaust rather than a chimney stack. Maybe that's why the DVA wouldn't let me register it as a camper, because it's got a big exhaust coming out of the roof, not a chimney. Talking about the DVLA, I've kind of decided maybe it works to my advantage that it's a van with windows, so I'm undecided now whether to go ahead and try and register it as a camper. Being stealthy at the end of the day has got its advantages. Right, let's have a look. Ooh, it's looking nasty. Oh, actually, Don't do that bad. Do you want to have a look? You know you do. Yeah, it don't look too bad, but I'm still going to sweep it anyway, because then I'll know next winter it's nice and clean, I'm good to go. Let's just hope this don't fall off. Quite simple really. Nowhere near as messy as I thought it would be. Oh, here we go. Just giving it a... oh dear. That was a bit of a mistake. Look at this. Oh, it's going to blow off anyway. Pulling it in and out of this just to clean it. There you go, much better. I wonder what mess is downstairs. How much mess has been made down here. Let's have a look in a minute. By the way, this worked really well. Now, I did get a lot of comments when I built this, and people said to me, when the wind is blowing in the wrong direction, the wind's going to blow down there and blow smoke out. But the truth of the matter is, if it's windy, I simply don't use my log burner. I'd use my diesel heater. So that's worked out pretty well. I'm really pleased with it. Oh, I've got to say, I'm really impressed. Look at that. There's hardly any ash in there at all. It's minimal. Look at that. Not even a teaspoonful. So that just goes to show how good these cubic mini wood stoves are, how clean they burn. And when this thing is burning, like when it's up to temperature, up to heat, and burning really well, hardly any smoke comes out of that chimney at all. So they're really good if you're going stealthy. And that's what a lot of people said to me as well. When I fitted this, they said, oh, you'll never get away with that. How's your van going to be stealthy when you've got smoke bellowing out the top of it? Well, there's your answer. There is no smoke. Once it's when you first lit it, admittedly, when you first light this, you do get a little bit of smoke. But once it's been going for about 10 minutes, no smoke whatsoever. Especially if you're burning clean, dry wood. Look at that. Just goes to show. That's a good 3 months worth in there. And that is it. I'm really impressed. Right, all I've got to do now is find me Hoover. It's around here somewhere. I've got a little battery operated one. Yeah, right, go find me Hoover and I'll hoover that out. So all that's left for me to do now is to hoover it out. Hoover out the dust that's in there. And for that I've got this rechargeable little miniature vacuum that was recommended to me by a friend. Got it off Amazon. I think it's got different settings on it. How do I get it on full? Sounds posh. See how it works. Well, that worked. Better put my door back on. All that does is rest in there like that. That's it. Brilliant, I love this. Brilliant. So there you are. If you like this video, please do give me the thumbs up, and don't forget, if you're new to my channel, please do consider subscribing, and by subscribing to my channel you help me feed a cat, and I've got 2 and they're both hungry. Thanks for watching. Ta-ra for now. It's nice and clean now, so there you go. If you like this video, please do give me a thumbs up. Don't forget if you ain't, I've got a neighbour.